First thing you want to do is make sure there's no power going to the unit. You can do that one of two ways. Check your switch, make sure it's in the off position, or in this instance you've got an electrical cord going to an outlet. You can just unplug it to be safe. Some units have a wire directly from the wall into the unit. If that's the case, you just check the switch. If you want to be extra cautious, you can always find your circuit breaker and turn it off there.
Gotcha.
In this situation, why don't we just go ahead and unplug it?
Do I know which one it is? 'Cause there's two
It would
plugs.
be the one on the top.
Okay. Done.
So now we go up to the switch, plug it on, just to be extra cautious.
Nope.
Good.
Great.
Okay. Next thing. What you're looking for underneath the unit, directly on the bottom, you're going to see a red button,
Okay.
and you're also going to see an opening in the center.
Okay.
Okay? The opening is where you're going to put your wrench to unjam it. The red button is a reset button.
Okay.
And the reset button is there so that when the motor gets jammed, it doesn't keep running and burn out. That reset button flips it off, and once you unjam it, you hit the reset button again, you're good to go.
So there's a hole in there.
You want to find the hole in the middle,
Uh-huh.
stick your tool in it,
Got it.
and you got it in?
Uh-huh.
Now you want to pull the tool toward you,
Uh-huh.
and then back the other way. Do that a few times. Make sure it's loose, it should be smooth. If you find that you have to force it, then it could be something a lot harder that's jamming up the blades. In which case that won't fix it. Is it
Okay.
smooth?
Smooth,
Okay, it
yes.
should be good then. So now you want to push the reset button one more time.
All right.
Okay, we're in. Go ahead and plug the unit back in.
Done.
Okay. Now we test it. Sounds good to me.
Yay.
Let's run some water. Wash whatever's in there down. Right down. That is how a disposal is supposed to sound.